afternoon. We have a nice old Mercedes 190e from 1991. Yeah, so that's the W201 Mercedes. Bit of a modern classic. Comes with no security. We fitted a Cat 2 immobiliser to it, which just flashing away on the dash, which means that any key in the ignition will not. That's the aircon. It's dead. So whilst that's flashing, dead. So to disarm, this comes with two touch keys, which are two touch keys. There's the Cobra 8510 Cat 2. So we just touch the key into the dash. That's turned off the LED, and now off she goes. Nice old car, this from the 90s. So it's the W201. They don't build them like they used to. This is a lovely car. Door shuts like a roll up. So that's vehicle fit 07900 60 50 40. That's the Cat 2 Vodafone Automotive immobiliser 8510. Supplied and fitted by Vehicle Fit. Thanks for watching. Cheers.